Well, there it is. 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 Denver County just called and said the Denver County offices are closed tomorrow. So don't go to Denver County. Now, we are still working, but Denver County is closed. And I'm sure other counties will be closed. But the Human Services offices and the Denver County government offices are closed. So don't go to Denver County for anything tomorrow. It's closed. And I can see why. Because it's crazy out there. There it is. Y'all looking for that blizzard? There it is. I gotta close this door. This is crazy. Don't go to Denver County tomorrow. Woo! Lord Jesus.
Shut the door, girl.